Yes, students, today we shall proceed further in this romantic comedy 12th night. We have seen completed act first, and in the last scene of the act first we see that Olivia, who meets a messenger from Duke Orsino, is very much impressed by that messenger. That messenger is named as Cesario, and as you already know, Cesario is actually Voila, who is in disguise as a boy. Cesario and she falls, Olivia falls in love with Cesario, and now we see in Act 3rd, as on the page also, scene first. In scene first, we meet Sebastian, brother to Voila. Voila's brother Sebastian, uh, who got lost after that shipwreck, and Voila and brother to Voila Sebastian and Antonio, captain of the ship on which he had sailed. And Sebastian is bound for Orsino's court, a place dangerous to Antonio because of many enemies. Antonio declares his devotion to Sebastian and announces his intention of following Sebastian. So, in Act 2nd, we see Malvolio, who was sent with that ring, whom Olivia pretended that messenger named Cesario, actually Voila, had left in the household of Olivia. She sends Malvolio to give that ring to him, and he overtakes Voila and offers Olivia's ring. Voila perceives what has happened, and on finding that ring suddenly, and she can perceive what is happening in Olivia's mind, and she becomes anxious as to the unforeseen results of her disguise. She understands sorry, she understands that Olivia has fallen, or what we can say, infatuated or impressed by Voila, so she fears the unforeseen dangers of her disguise. In Act 2nd, Scene 3rd, we find that Sir Toby, Sir Andrew, and the clown are interrupted in their reveals by Malvolio, whose rebuke so angers them that, under the guidance of Maria, they decide to trap Malvolio by means of a letter supposed to be written by Olivia into thinking that his mistress is in love with him. So they, what we can say, conspire to make a mockery of Malvolio's feelings, Malvolio's love for Olivia, and they plot for a fake letter, and Malvolio, they want to entrap Malvolio by this fake letter. In Act 2nd, Scene 4th, we see Orsino finds in his young page Cesario a curious sympathy in matters of love. Orsino speaks his heart to the young page Cesario. Page is a page boy in Elizabethan time, were the servants or the household keepers who were very much helpful in the household and personal matters. They were called page boys. So page Cesario, he finds a curious sympathy in matters of love. The clown sings his song, and the music so works on the spirits of Orsino and Voila that the former wishes to send his page off once more on a passionate errand to declare his love to Olivia. So that song of clown affects so much on his heart and mind that he again sends his page boy Cicerio to Olivia, while the latter means Olivia almost betrays the secret of her own Olivia secrets of her own love story by relating it as of her sister. So again he sends, and we see in act second and scene fifth, which is the last scene of this act, Sir Toby, Sir Andrew, and Fabian hiding behind the box tree in Olivia's garden wait for Malvolio, wait and Malvolio pick up the letter that Maria has dropped in his path and enjoy the spectacle of pride tumbling headlong into the snares, for Malvolio is satisfied that the letter, with its instructions as to behavior and dress, is genuine, and goes off determined to put those instructions into effect. Actually, in that letter, they have instructed him to be in a specific dress, and there are those yellow stockings and cross garters. So Malvolio assumes that this letter is from Olivia for him, and he goes to fulfill those instructions into effect. So we see there is a great mirth in this scene, and we shall proceed further for another scene, another act, act third, which is also very important in the development of this particular drama. So you should read these notes and grasp the things which I have told through this video, and we shall do act third and all the 5 scenes of act third in the next chapter. Till then, thank